All right, this is an extended room tour of my scenic suite here at Mandalay Bay. You can see why they call this a scenic suite. Look at the floor to ceiling windows and then the floor to ceiling windows in this master bedroom, and it overlooks the strip. This is gonna be such a cool view at night. If you're looking for more details on this room, specifically the night footage, go ahead and check out my experience video. I'll put the link in the description below. So I usually stay at Delano when I'm at Mandalay Bay. Those are the two towers for those of you who may not know. One tower is Delano and the other one is Mandalay Bay. I prefer this tower. It's because the rooms are a little larger, a little trendier, more modern, upscale, a bit more luxurious, and overall I just think it's the overall better experience. It's the cooler and classier tower of the two. And again, this is the scenic suite. Here's your master bathroom over here. There's a ton of marble that is used in that shower. It is so cool. But let's just start at the beginning. There is a guest bathroom here as we walk in. Pretty no nonsense. Okay, but you do have a toilet here and then you have a single vanity. Great for entertaining, especially if you want to keep strangers out of your private master bathroom. Or perhaps if you want to fit a few more people into this room, you could sleep someone on that couch. So if you're looking to put a few more bodies in this hotel room, that guest bathroom is going to pay dividends. And then moving on into the entertainment portion of this room, it's kind of awkward. You can see the TV isn't positioned at the center of the room, so anyone over here is going to have a weird viewing angle. You have your wet bar, which really allows you to make some cool drinks if you want to. And then here is your fully stocked mini bar. Everything you need in here to get your night started properly. Keurig coffee, couple of Fijis, and then this is a really nice touch, the padded leather ice bucket. This is really classy and really cool. Super trick, I like that. Couch with the chase, it does not pull out, I already checked. However, it looks ultra comfortable, and let's see if it is. Oh yeah, this is really nice. You could definitely sleep here with no issues on multiple nights. That thing is ultra comfortable. Cool artwork on the wall. I like the aqua theme, very Mandalay Bay-esque. And as we move over to the viewing part of the room, there is a view of Mandalay Bay and Delano. And then we get into the crux of the room, the master bedroom and then the master bathroom. Let's start in the master bedroom. This is a corner room. It's a scenic suite. You can see why they call it a scenic suite. Love the huge padded headboard, white, pretty much takes up the entire space of the wall. And then let's just look at this view from the bed right here. Nice panoramic views of Vegas. This has to be so cool at night. Closet right here, one robe. And then you have a bench by the bed. I think that all suites, and really any upscale hotel should always have a bench by the bed, so that is really cool. As we move over to the corner of this room, let's just check out what this view is like. Pretty much clear, unobstructed views of the entire strip. And then finishing up in the master bathroom, here is a full-length mirror so you can check yourself out before you go out. Make sure you're looking proper. Separated toilet room. I like the black wallpaper. That is really cool. TV up here if you want to put the weather on or maybe some news. Makeup mirror swings out. That's nothing new. These are some of my favorite mirrors with the impregnated white ring that goes around. Just really, really classy, really trick. Kier products, I've used these at MGM before. They are okay. Again, dual vanity, combined by one large mirror, towels down there. And then look at all of this marble here. This is so upscale, this is so luxurious. Nice deep soaking tub, you can probably spend easily an hour in there. That looks really comfortable. Transparent glass, so you can see what's going on in the shower. The shower people can see what's going on in the tub. And when you walk in here, you're just ensconced and encompassed by marble. Just feels classy in here. Floor to ceiling glass, that is really neat. Just a lot of glass, a lot of marble. This place just oozes luxury. This bathroom is really well done. Let me flop on this bed to finish. I've checked it out before and I can't wait to spend a night on this. This is just an initial impression. I just got to this room, but this already feels like one of the best Vegas beds I've ever been on. It's mostly soft with just a little bit of firmness, and these pillows are just a slice of heaven. And then waking up to that view in the morning won't be so bad either. If you want to check out my full experience at this hotel, I'm going to eat at some of the best restaurants. I'm going to look at the grounds. I'm going to find the coolest cocktails. I'm just going to experience this hotel for the next 3 days. If you want to know what that's like, I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you check out that video. I'll see you on the next one.